Hello guys! Today we will meet the parol maker, the creator of the famous Capiz Parol. Let's go! And let's see how it's created. Let's meet the parol maker. Hello kuya! Tatanong lang po. We have some questions regarding sa parol. So, first question, ano po pangalan niyo, sir? What's your name, sir?
My name is Gio.
Gio, Sir
Yes,
Gio. And sir, tanong ko lang sa inyo, how long do you make, how long since you started making parols?
It's been 5 years since I've started making pearls, sir.
Then sir, sino nagturo sa'yo?
My dad,
Who taught you how to make parols?
my dad taught me, sir.
Your dad?
Yes, sir.
What's the reason you like to make parols?
Usually, before I started liking pearls, I thought it was hard at first. But then, when my first year, since I've started doing it, I started to like it since a lot of customers started complimenting my works and my designs.
Can I ask you what materials do you use in making a parol?
The materials we use are firstly the LED lights.
LED lights?
Yes, sir. My cutter,
Cutter,
tapes,
tapes,
yes, LED tester,
LED testers,
and parol.
and the Capiz itself.
Yes, sir.
So, what's the tool? The specific tool do you use the most?
This, sir. My
The cutter.
Yes, sir.
Which part of making parol is the very hard, the most complicated? Which part?
I think that will be the designing of the parol since no parol is like the other. They are very unique to one.
Every parol is unique
Yes, sir.
in ways.
Yes, sir.
How about the lights? Where do you get the lights?
We have a supplier for that. We cannot say who it is.
How about the Capiz? The shells?
We outsource them to fishermen. Sir.
The fishermen, which place? What specific place?
I cannot tell you that, sir.
Okay, sir.
It's a secret.
It's a secret. So it's a very private question. Sorry about that. What designs do you usually make?
We have
From the easiest.
these
Can
are
you
the easiest designs? The classics.
The classics one.
Yes,
The
sir.
classic one. How about the most complicated? The hardest one?
This will be tala.
The tala.
Yes, sir.
So the parols have their specific names.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us the names? Specific name.
These are the talas. These are the classics.
Which one is the hardest one to make?
The talas.
The tala.
They are very complicated to design. They contain a lot of lights.
How about this one? The classic ones.
The classics are very easy to make since you only have to screw a couple of light bulbs to make the parol.
How about like what I'm asking you earlier? If I want to ship a parol, what do I need to do?
First you need a permit from BFR. Since
Before permit, sir.
Yes, sir. Since capis are usually extracted from scallops, and scallops are sea creatures. That's why you need the BFR permit for that.
So meaning to say, if I want to ship the parol, I will just contact you for the details. Then you will send me. For example, in the USA, I will just send you a message through your phone. Then we can schedule the ship.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. That's enough question. Sorry for the inconvenience and making you a sort of busy. So this is the end of our video. Then thank you for your time and hope to see you soon.